Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video, and this is another quick peak interest video, just looking for people who are looking for a great opportunity. Okay, low cost, high profit potential. Okay, as you can see, a cash money system for you. Okay, do you want a program that you can believe in? I certainly did, and I'm so glad that I found the opportunities that I'm working on today. Okay, now look, we've got a proven system to success, and finally a true, real program for the masses who are looking to make some extra money online. Now, this is the real deal, okay? This simple system just plain works, okay? Okay. Now, look, just look here for me, all right? No hype, just the truth. Get paid cash money daily. That's the potential behind both of my opportunities that I share online, and incredible opportunities if you're looking for a great home-based business. Okay, an opportunity to earn hundreds of dollars per day, and that's what we have with this system that I'm going to share with you. And then there's a bonus system as well. My goodness. All right. All you've got to do is take a quick look. Okay. Okay. Now, in closing, all right, this is so easy to share. All right. And we've got everything that you need to help you share the program effectively. Okay, so grab the link in the description area of this video and check things out for yourself. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and amazing day today. Bye bye now.